what are active sources of income and what are passive sources of income. Now, an active source of income is an income that you get where you have to go to work to get paid. If you are a salary earner, if you don't go to work, you don't get paid. So that is an active source of income. If you are a cinematographer, you don't take pictures or you don't get customers who come to you to take pictures, you don't get paid. That is an active source of income. If you're a cinematographer, you don't shoot a movie or you don't have customers who come to you to shoot music videos or for you to cover an event, you don't get paid. That is also an active source of income. If you're a teacher, you go to school to teach. If you do not teach, say you had an accident or you were sick or you were sacked, you do not get paid. So that's an active source of income. Every walk of life, every field of life, every occupation has both active and passive sources of income. Now, there is no such thing as a 100% passive source. The difference between an active source of income and a passive source of income is in the time that the work is done. For a passive source of income, a house owner who has a house, builds a house, begins to collect rent for the rest of his life, that is a passive source of income. But don't forget that the house owner has to first of all have enough money to build the house. So he does have to still work, but he just needs to put in the work once and then he gets income for the rest of his life. That's the major difference between an active source of income and a passive source of income. Another good example of a passive source of income would be stock. When you invest in stock, you have to have the money at the beginning to invest in stock. So you must have done some work to get money enough for you to invest in stock. And once you invest in the stock, provided that the company does well, you get paid for the rest of your life. That is also a passive source of income in that you just do the work once, get the money to buy the stock, and then you earn from it residually for the rest of your life as long as that stock is profitable. Those are the differences between an active source of income and a passive source of income.